अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे, भी होंगे और खुशबाश होंगे। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वो है ऑडियो जैक बोर्ड इन डिटेल। अगर आप भी हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो इसे जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, साथ ही बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि आपको हमारे आने वाली न्यू वीडियोस अपडेट्स और नोटिफिकेशन जल्द मिल सके। स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने टॉपिक को बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए। एन ऑडियो जैक, also known as headphone jack or TRS, tapering service connector, is a common interface used to transmit analog audio signals between devices. It is most often associated with personal audio equipment such as headphones, microphones, and portable music player. Type of audio jacks. First is 3.5 mm 1 by 8-inch jack. Standard size, the most common audio jack found in smartphone, laptop, headphone, and other consumer electronics. TRS configuration typically has connection tape, left audio ring, right audio, and sleeve ground. TRRS configuration and additional ring connections for microphones or video signals. Second point is 6.35 mm 1 by 4-inch jack. Professional use, commonly used in professional audio equipment like guitars, amplifiers, and studio headphones. Robust design, larger and more durable than the 3.5 mm jack, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. Third point is 2.5 mm jack, less common use in older or specialized devices such as some mobile phones and two-way radio. Compact size, smaller than the 3.5 mm jack, but generally the same configuration. Internal structure. Tape. The tip of the connector typically carries the left audio signal in the stereo configurator's ring or NTRS jack. The ring carries the right audio signal in TRRS jack. It may also carry microphone or video signals. Sleeves S. The sleeve is usually the ground connection, common to both channels in stereo configuration. Variants: TS tip safe, used for mono signals, typically in instruments like electric guitar. TRS tapering sleeves, used for stereo signals or balanced audio connection. TRRS tapering sleeves, used in devices that support both audio and microphone inputs such as smartphones. Applications: consumer electronics, most common in devices like smartphones, laptops, and portable music player for connecting headphones or earbuds. Professional audio. Used in recording studios, live performance, and other professional audio settings. Instrument connections, commonly used in electric guitar, keyboard, and other musical instruments. Evolution and alternatives. While the 3.5 mm audio jack remains widely used, its presence has declined in some modern smartphones in favor of wireless connection, Bluetooth, or digital interface like USB-C and Lightning ports. Consideration: compatibility when using different types of jacks, adapter, and often required. Quality: the quality of the jack and the cable can affect the audio signals, with better materials providing clear sound and more reliable connection. Understanding the different types of audio jacks and their configuration is crucial For any bulb involved in audio productions, consumer electronics, or simply a casual music listener.